Hey everybody, I am here at the Toronto Food Truck Festival, so let's go check this out. Are you filming now?
Yes.
So I just got the chicken taco and I tried it. Very watery. Got it from that place over there. Yeah, it's pretty good. I like it.
How's that tasting, Kevin?
Good.
Okay.
It's okay.
Mom's eating it too. Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah, that's good. Ready? Yeah. So I got a vanilla ice cream. This is my dessert to end the day. And as you can see, I'm trying to make art out of it. So I'm licking to kind of give it that nice, smooth. Okay, so this is art. It's art while licking an ice cream.
Oh.
Sal, what did you get?
Holy moly.
Poutine?
Yeah,
Oh my god.
chicken.
And Joelle, what did you get?
Sweet heat chicken mac and
Wow,
cheese.
look at that, man. How does that taste?
I wanted
Really
to
good.
see a cone.
Really good.
wanted
I was
to
telling
see-
people how licking a cone is like making art.
Yeah?
Look how smooth that is, man. That's artistic.
I don't
Yeah,
know.
but then it,
I got a water coconut. You hear me?
Yeah.
I got a water coconut.
so
I'm
how
gonna
is
try
it?
it. I haven't tried a coconut in a long time. But they even put a little umbrella on it.
Sweet?
Very sweet.
Good.
I got it.
Well, what is that?
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato?
Put it up.
It's like a sword.
Yeah, I know. Oh,
Let me see. Oh, look. Hey, Ma. I find it very good.
How does that taste now?
Oh, yeah. I'm already feeling it on my lips.
Oh my god, you're almost done there?
I mean, not like halfway.
Anyway, that's okay.
You have water? Water help.
I decided to end my adventure with a pepperoni cone. I'm gonna gain a lot of weight today. It's a UFO. Oh my god.
Or are they just kites?
Aliens.
Oh, maybe people are just flying kites. Damn,
Uh,
that's okay.
Shut up, they're aliens. We're gonna be on CNN. Family! Hey! I was wondering, where did Joelle go? Oh, jeez. I said, oh, sneak attack.
Black Eyed Susies.
Oh, see, Dad would like some of these plants. He's
have
missing
some.
out.
We have some. We have some at my house.
He could, what, that, you want to, oh, I wanted to walk the rest of the park. Why, you don't want to go through the park still?
She wants to walk the walk.
Oh my goodness. Ruining, you destroyed the trip.
Okay, guys. Okay, everybody goes over here. Come on, Joanne. Come on, Kevin. Other than that, oh,
Sal, you want to eat some berries?
no,
Look at the turnips. It might taste good. You don't want to try? I heard they'll give you vitamins. Put put hair on your chest? What is this? Goblins inside. Open with care. Go. told us to open it. There were goblins inside. Oh, here's the goblin right now.
Yeah, take a picture of those nuts.